Hello guys, in a journey I didn't record any video for you. Today video is going to be about finding wholesale suppliers. Well, this is just in title of this domain name of this website, but the fact is I'm trying to simplify for you the way you search for product to sell for your e-commerce for your business. So here, this video is for you guys for one who want to start a wholesale business and make money from e-commerce, from store, from wherever really you have to sell for your niche for your clients. This website is called Top Sales Suppliers, and you can reach those suppliers by category. For example, if you are on niche of books, crafts, computers, finance, food, whatever really, you can find here by country, which is also good. For the second website, I'm not going to join now. Here you can find suppliers for especially here in America. People from America can use this website to find wholesale deals. So you can search for top 10 wholesale and you will find things that you need when it comes to making a wholesale. This website is for wholesaleusa.com, which is also good. I tried it before. Here you can find, for example, books. Uh, Depending on what you are trying to sell, you can find many things, especially for people from USA too. I'm gonna cover one of the best sites here. It's Alibaba wholesale, but well, I don't consider it like very top one. But top one is this one. Well, I want to review this too. Visit the website. I'm gonna close this. This website is also kind of fair branding when it's come to wholesale dropshippers stuff, mini stuff. This is the directory of wholesale, which is very good to find good deal if you contact them and you can access to them. But the first one I highly recommend is this one. It's called Made in China. This one is the best. Well, this one is with Korean or Chinese language. I don't understand it, of course. It gives very cheap things that you can sell online. For example, these baskets and well, many things, but actually without any component, without any opponent, this website is the best one to find good deals, for example, for your business. We're gonna see this artificial grass, for example, people who have company for making for football and football American and well ordinary soccer, they can use this. I'm gonna go to something really easy. For example, let me see here, lights, electronics, and health, medicine, more categories. I want to go to the fashion because well in fashion we can find many things, especially for women. The women are very good niche. If you want to sell for women, you can get thousands of money because the women's, as we all know, they are making so much sales online. For example, you can start selling this pair of glasses. You can order minimum 10 pieces of these glasses, and of course, you can set up a price for them for $5, and you can do Google ads, Facebook ads to spread these glasses or this product. And what I like in this website is it offer you the ISO mark for quality, and also the sellers are really trustworthy, which is something good. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe and make big thumbs up to this video. I will really appreciate to see your likes. Thank you so much.